Hey everybody, it's Tony with Blacktop Magazine. We're here at the Cruisin Holiday Car Show, and I got Brian Markey here with his 71 GMC, and it is a super nice truck. So Brian, tell us a little bit about your truck.
Yes, it's a 1971 GMC 2500 four-wheel drive, 3/4 ton. We did a frame-off restoration about 4 years ago. Ron Canberra did the painting and the body work, and a buddy of mine and I, Carlos Rojas, and myself, we did all the mechanical components, right from the powder coating of the frame all the way up through rebuilding all the different components. I'm the third owner. I've got the build sheet, and all the original equipment came with it. It's basically a brand new truck right now.
Fantastic. It looks new, and it's awesome. Thanks for bringing it out.
Thank you very much. Enjoy it. Always, these shows are great.
All right. Take care.
Thanks.
Hello, my name is Zoe Scarlett, and please make sure to subscribe to Blacktop TV here on YouTube.
All right, thank you for watching that fuel-fed feature. Want to see more? Be sure to visit blacktopmagazine.com. And while you're there, subscribe to our e-newsletter. We have fuel-fed features delivered right to your inbox. All right, thank you for watching.